Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review, analyzing Kommunity, a tool that claims to easily build your online community, engage with members, and organize effective events. So Kommunity is a social event platform where you can grow your community, organize events, and communicate with members in one place. It's an alternative to Meetup, Facebook, and Eventbrite. They are already established, and I just saw that all people in Turkey use that tool. So everybody in Turkey is using that, and in Istanbul, really everybody. They have communities with thousands and thousands of members. So if you're gonna buy it, you're gonna have it for long, because I think they are creating that deal on AppSumo to get more users from other countries, though, so they can fill their community with people. And then you don't need to pay monthly to have your community. You can have it forever. And also they will add multi-language feature. You will be able to translate your community to your own language. So it's pretty good, and you have a all-in-on community deal. I am planning to buy it because you're gonna get everything with $49. As I say, this may be a lead generation deal for them. So they want to spread community worldwide because they are already really famous in Turkey. So they are giving you for free the pro plan because it's only $49 forever. And you're going to get all their features forever. And then in that way they can spread communities around the world and get more users from other parts of the world. It's a pretty good deal for us and a pretty good deal for them. So I think it's a no-brainer, and I'm gonna certainly buy it. But first, let's see how the tool works. Here's Kommunity, it's my dashboard. But first, I want to explore the events. Okay, let's see the popular communities. So you can see here they have a user proof communities with more than 8,000 members. Everyone from Istanbul, so it's pretty famous there. So let's click on that community to check it out. So they have no wall, no events, a lot of members already here. Everyone from Turkey. It's a community description. It's not in English, so I can't understand exactly what they're saying here. Let's explore the events. So you can see here your activity feeds to explore the event online or in Istanbul. Let's check online. Monthly AI robotics meetup. Let's check here. Created by AI Robotics. It's a monthly meetup for people who are interested in AI, in robotics. So kind of interesting. So you can create those events, unlimited events, and also create your community where you're going to host those events. You can use Zoom integration, and it's a Facebook alternative and a Meetup alternative. Here you can see their attendees. They have 4. I'm going to go. I'm going to attend it. How it works. Tweet about it. No. Event will start in 10 hours. I'm already an attendee of that event. Okay. You can join the meeting using your meeting platform. Okay. Using their Zoom integration, etc. So let's explore a bit more. You can see here that one has 91 members going. That community seems to be pretty famous. Civil system. You can see here that the platform works pretty neat, and I'm gonna attend that one. That one I need to fill up a registration form. Can you see here? And submit my answers. You can choose if it's required or optional. Let's explore more communities. You can see here, communities with more than 10,000 of members. So they are established. They're not going to disappear. The idea here is to spread community to the world using AppSumo. Here you can see those organizers. They don't have an event by now, but they already hosted 23 events. You can see their abouts. Okay. So real people are using that software. Here you can see the message that you're going to receive from users. You can create a new message and send to someone. Just found that guy here. I'm going to say, hi, do you enjoy community? I'm learning how to use the platform. Okay, that's the chat. Everything works pretty well. Okay, my community, I joined that community. You can join as many community you want, and you can also follow users. I'm gonna follow that guy, and that guy. Okay, you're gonna receive user suggestions. Here you can create events, the events that you're gonna attend, and you can create the events inside your community. So let's check it out. Create community, AppSumo party location, Texas, my interests, new Asian spirituality, that the interest of the community. Dollars, text content visibility. You can choose public or private, public here. You can import from Eventbrite and from Facebook. Soon you will be able to do that. So create community. Community create. Go to your community page. You're going to see here. And then you can add your cover and your logo. Add something here on your about, right here. And you're going to have quick access of your members. You can segment them from events, for instance, your form management, where you can create a form and you can receive papers from your attendees. So when should the form be displayed? Here you create the question, short test, long test, single option, multi option. Okay, so multiple option. Can you see here? Blah, 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 blah. Is required, that one no. I'm not gonna state it. Something is invalid. Let's save as draft. Oh, I need a name here for my form. Okay, I'm still getting an error here. So now I created my form. Okay, then also what you can do here, you have on the pro plan the statistics, and you can get also subscriptions to your community. So you're gonna have a lot of members, and you can send email to your members. Okay, using your segments. My list is empty, but you can send email to all your community members or only people from determined event. Okay, and on your community you can create your event. Remember that you have unlimited numbers of events per community, and with the AppSumo deal you can create 3 community. Here you can change your community settings. You can add the description, changing the profile URL, adding Google Analytics. You can use Slack, Telegram, Discord, your social network, and you can add your content visibility public or private. You can also ask questions before members join. So if you ask questions, you can, for instance, use it as a lead generation to get new emails. You can change the color of the community, adding your featured photo, your community profile photo, and your cover image as well. Here you can also manage your registration form, so then you can get their emails, export members, send emails, send invitations to other members, and setting your payouts. Here's to create an event. So AppSumo party to be okay. Time zone. You can choose your time zone here, starting date and end date. You can pick a photo for your event, writing the descriptions. If it's an online event, you need to add your event URL, event language. Now they have only English, and the attendance type. If it's ticket, so you're gonna receive some money for it, or if it's a RSVP. and you can add an attendee limit or no attendee limits. So you can also provide an email list, so only people from that email list can be on your events. You can approve the attendees, setting the approvals for attendees, and you can make this event public or only those with link. I'm gonna add only those with link, and you can add tags to your event like that. And then you click in publish now, and you have your event done. You can add talks to your event. So talk one. Those talk you need a YouTube talk, so you can add a YouTube URL or in a PDF slide, and then you have your talk here hosted on Kommunity using YouTube, hosted on YouTube, but also on Kommunity. Okay, so those are the three kind of features: talks, events, and Kommunity. You can also add photos from your events. You can upload your photos here. I'm gonna add any photo. So I'm adding a photo on my event, and it's here. And on the Pro plan, you have call for papers. On the Pro plan, you get the call for papers. It means that you can request articles, papers from your community. For instance, if you're gonna create an event, that on that event, people will present their papers. So you do a call for papers, and it's only on the Pro plan. Okay? Their Pro plan costs $7.99 per month. You're gonna get it for $49 per lifetime, so it's pretty good deal. All features from the Pro plan, up to 3 communities, open call for papers, and collect proposals, create multiple ticket types and discount codes for your event, sell your tickets for your online and offline events, embed ticket sales on your site. That's cool. You can embed your sales on your site. Zoom integration, advanced mailing, segmentations. So segmentations are the list. So let's say you have 3 events, you can create 3 segmentations for those events and send emails only for people from those events. You can display your sponsors on event and community page, reach more people with same interests, verified badge on your community and your profile, advanced analytics, and scheduling and speakers management. All right, let's check out also if the AppSumo plan has some special features. Here are the AppSumo plan. You're gonna get the Zoom integration, everything on the Pro plan, okay, for only $49. I don't have a use case for that by now, but I think it's a kind of no-brainer because it's established, and if Kommunity works well on US, on Latin America, if they go out of Turkey and be an worldwide tool, you're gonna miss out because you didn't buy that deal. So I think it's a good and solid investment for $49. So go buy Kommunity, and please click on my link on YouTube to help me to keep going, so you support me for free. Thank you. Bye bye.